Welcome to HVAC Official Channel. In this video, we'll break down common chiller faults and how to troubleshoot them, step by step. Chillers are one of the most expensive and important parts of any commercial HVAC system. A small fault can cause the entire cooling system to shut down, resulting in discomfort, equipment damage, or financial loss. That's why understanding these common faults and how to fix them is a must for every HVAC professional. Understanding chiller faults helps you work smarter and faster. With the right approach, most issues can be diagnosed quickly and fixed easily. If this video helped you, hit like, drop your questions in the comments, share it with your HVAC team, and don't forget to subscribe to HVAC Official Channel for more real-world HVAC content. Thanks for watching. Stay cool and safe.